In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to select a face in Blender. Before we dive into the exciting world of 3D modeling, let's ensure you have Blender already installed on your computer. If you're all set, go ahead and launch the Blender application. Once it's open, the next step is to get your project up and ready. So, open your project by finding it in the startup screen or through the File menu if you have something specific in mind that you've been working on. Now that you have your project open, direct your attention to the 3D viewport. This is where all the modeling magic happens. You'll want to select the object that you're looking to edit. This can be anything from a simple cube to a complex model you've downloaded or created. Just hover over your object and click to select it in the 3D viewport. With your object selected, it's time to enter Edit mode. You can do this by going to the top of your screen and clicking on the Mode drop-down menu, which will likely be set to Object mode by default. Switch this to Edit mode. This change allows you to modify individual components like vertices, edges, and faces of your object, as opposed to moving the entire object as a whole. The next step is crucial for face selection. Look at the top of the 3D viewport, and you'll see a few icons that determine the selection mode. Click on the Face Selection Mode icon, which is represented by a small square, to enable face selection specifically. This is important because it tells Blender that you want to interact with the faces of your model rather than other components like edges or vertices. Now, it's time to start selecting faces. Click on the first face of your object that you'd like to select. If you want to select multiple faces, simply hold down the Shift key and continue selecting additional faces by left-clicking on them. Blender makes it very user-friendly to select multiple items seamlessly. There's another useful trick worth mentioning. If you've got two specific faces in mind and want to select the shortest path of faces between them, hold down Ctrl and Shift, then click on the second face you're interested in. Blender will automatically choose the shortest route of faces between your first and second selection. This feature is particularly useful when you're working with complex models and need to make quick selections. Finally, if you want to expand your selection outward, you can press Ctrl and the plus key on your numpad. This command will enlarge your selection area incrementally, making it easier to cover a larger region of your model without manually selecting each face. And just like that, you've successfully learned how to select faces in Blender. Congratulations, you're one step closer to mastering 3D modeling. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be navigating Blender's selection tools with ease.